In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Linktree. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a custom image, often called a thumbnail, to one of your links so it looks polished, on brand, and easier for visitors to spot. Start by heading to your Linktree admin and opening the Links tab. This is where all your existing links live and where you'll manage their appearance. Find the specific link you want to enhance. If you have a lot of links, you can scroll or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Click the link card to expand its settings so you can see the appearance options. Next, look for the small image or thumbnail icon on that link card and click it. This opens the thumbnail controls where you can attach a visual to the link. From here, choose the Set Thumbnail option. You'll see choices to use built-in icons or bring in your own artwork. For a branded look, go with Upload Your Own. This gives you full control over how the link stands out. When the upload window appears, click Select File to upload. Browse your computer and pick the image you want to use. A square image usually works best because thumbnails are displayed in a compact format. PNG or JPG files are ideal, and keeping the file size modest helps it load quickly for your visitors. If you're preparing the image ahead of time, a clean 1:1 aspect ratio and at least 600 by 600 pixels will keep it crisp without being too heavy. After you've selected the file, click Open to confirm your choice, and then click Upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and when it's finished, the image will appear as the thumbnail on that link. Most of the time, Linktree applies the change immediately. If you don't see it update right away on your public profile, give the page a refresh or check from a mobile device to verify the final look. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Choose imagery with clear edges and strong contrast so the thumbnail reads well at smaller sizes. Avoid text-heavy graphics. A simple logo mark or a recognizable photo usually performs better. Keep your style consistent across links. Using the same background color or border treatment can make your whole page feel cohesive. And if you ever want to switch images, just click the same thumbnail icon on that link and repeat the upload process with a new file. That's it. Your Linktree link now has a custom image that helps it pop and guides your audience's attention exactly where you want it.